Hi guys! So today I want to talk about what makes a story interesting. And we all have a different idea of what is interesting to us. So let's see. Oh, nope, that one didn't work. Let's try. There we go. Impact. The first thing is impact. How does this event impact your life? If a story really doesn't affect you at all, there's really no point in caring about it. But you can see Paris Falls, Lincoln Shot. A storm could leave 10 million without power. Well, if those 10 million are in a different country far away, that might not matter to you. So impact, immediacy. Immediacy, how important is it right now? Man on the moon, Kennedy shot, something that is happening in the current time. Proximity. This kind of jumps back to what I said about impact. How close is it to you? Those 10 million people without power, they matter if that's you in your town, but if they're on the other side of the globe, the proximity to you affects how important a story is. If, say, a teacher is fired for sleeping in school, you might not hear about that if it's Alaska, but if it's Carlisle or South Middleton, the proximity, pretty big deal. That'll make the paper. Prominence. So there are car accidents all the time, and people die. But how well you know those people makes a big difference. So Robin Williams, huge actor, great comedian, his death was told everywhere. Princess Diana died in the car accident, and she was a very prominent figure, so that made headlines around the world. Novelty is something new and totally different. It's unique and out there. The Titanic, that was pretty new in its day. Wall Street lays an egg. You know, we don't know what happened that day, but I'll tell you, lays an egg makes it look unique and makes you want to go see it, figure out what happened. And Ghost Fever, Ghostbusters, the first time they came out, that was a very new idea for a movie. Conflict. Conflict always makes a great story. So when two people aren't getting along, the bigger the people, the bigger the news. And emotion. You might look at some of these titles and go, well, that's not real news. Well, emotion makes big news. And here we have Princess Diana again, because that affected a lot of people. So it was very emotional for the whole globe. This is going to lead us into something else as well. And this is going to lead us into ethics, because if you take a look at this New York Post, my son, Dad finds his boy's name at new 9/11 memorial. If that was you, or your father, or your brother, would you want your moment displayed for everyone else? And what makes that ethically correct? So keep that in mind, and we're going back to what makes a story interesting.